Give your brain one disposable win. We often view dopamine as the chemical we get after we finish a task, but dopamine's actual biological role is motivation. It's the chemical that encourages us to go and get the thing we want. When you're struggling with a mental health deficit, your brain is dopamine deprived. Starting a major project feels physically painful because your brain calculates that the massive activation energy required to start isn't worth the dopamine payoff at the end. But we break this paralysis by lowering the cost of entry. Do not make your daily goal write 500 words or run 5 miles. Make the daily goal one disposable task, something that takes 15 minutes or less and that you can stop at a second without losing your flow. This might be unloading the dishwasher or putting away 5 items of clothing. These are not performance goals. When you achieve that single manageable win, your brain gets a small, easy dopamine spike. This tiny win changes your physiological state from paralysis to action, effectively jumpstarting your motivation for the next thing. One small win right now is biologically worth more than a huge promised win tomorrow. When you ignore your basic biology, you aren't fighting depression, you are starving your own recovery. Before you decide you are having a mental breakdown, ask yourself if you've handled the 4 Ps: protein, plants, probiotics, and processing. Protein. Amino acids are the precursors to every major neurotransmitter. Are you giving your brain the material it needs? Plants. Colorful vegetables provide fiber as the cofactors necessary for neurotransmitter synthesis. Probiotics. 95% of your serotonin is made in your gut microbiome. If your gut health is a mess, your brain health is a mess. Processing. What percentage of your daily intake is whole foods versus ultra processed convenience items? Highly processed foods trigger inflammation, and we are discovering that inflammation is the #1 biological trigger for depression symptoms. You don't need a diet, you just need to check your 4 Ps once a day.